If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hello, well it's that time again, me, the one and only Larry, the pen bug guy, coming at you from Larry's Fountain Pen Review. And Mr. Announcer got some pens in that I'll be showing you, doing a review. And that's really something because he don't even use fountain pens, just looks at them. Isn't that right, Mr. Announcer?
Yes, next year I'll only be in one classroom at school so I can carry one a little bit more safely.
You don't want to leave it on your desk, students steal.
Well, no.
It will get stolen. Here we go. And, dun 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 dun. Ah. Mm-hmm.
They like to wrap them up good, don't they?
Yep. That little tape right there holding it. Got it. Got it. Come on, baby. Here we go. Here we go. I don't think so. It's you little rat. There. Finally.
You know, we should put you on America's Got Talent for that.
Really? Oh. Wow. I would be so happy. I'm on America's Got Talent. La 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 la. Okay, here's the pen. Good looking pen. Here's the pen. Nice looking, good looking pen. See, the only thing I don't like about any kind of pen that has little jewels like that in the whatever, the dragon or whatever, you never dug that. But it looks good for those who like it. Mr. Announcer liked it.
I like the geometric patterns. Now, I would have preferred for it to be in silver, but the gold is fine.
See, I love the gold. I love it in gold. I prefer it in gold than silver myself, but sometimes I have to take what I can get if I really want the pen that bad. But yeah, gold's my favorite. So let's pull this off. Oh. And looks like it has a number 5 nib. I could be wrong. And this is a, can't even see the name on it. See if you can see a name on that. Need that?
Let's see here.
It's a brand I've never heard before.
Kamali.
Yeah, I never. Do you know where it comes from?
No, I'd have to look it up on my ordering thing.
Okay. Yeah, I've never heard it before. Take off the barrel. And it does come with a converter. That's cool. You know, some of your other pens, high-end pens, are even just middle-of-the-road pens don't even come with converters, or you have to buy them. And look at that feed there, okay? That's going to be interesting. Well, that's Uno. Wow, he went shopping, didn't he? Huh?
And these are all rather cheap, non-name pens.
Low end.
Low end, sorry.
I like the word low end rather than cheap. Cheap sounds so dirty and nasty and disgusting.
I'm sorry, I apologize.
That's all right. People call me cheap. Oh, no. Ah! Okay, here we go. You having fun on the channel? Come on, you got to have some kind of fun. Where's that smile? Where's that laugh? Cha, 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 cha. I ain't going nowhere. I'm going to haunt you. Yes. Here we go. Here we go. Comes in a little pen sleeve. And what are we getting today? It looks pretty cool.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, now this looks good looking. I like this one. And this is a gin how looks like. Let me see here. And I'm looking. Yes, gin how what? It's a gin how. I do love everything about it. The look, the size, the trim work, gin how logo on top. Everything looks cool, twist off. And we'll take the barrel off. Comes with a converter, and it pulls out and you push in. Now be very careful because you never know, sometimes you get a converter that you have to twist in, screw it in, and you're trying to yank it out and yank it out, it's not coming out, that's why, but just be careful. And on the nib, same thing, 18K, gold plated, gin how nib. And what size is it? I have no earthly idea. To see what size it comes in. I don't know if it's a fine, medium, or what. Do you know, Mr. Announcer?
No, I can get that information by the time you do your review.
Thank you. So kind. I try. Eh. Oh, you know, I better leave that right there. And we got another. Huh? Alrighty. Oh, very interesting. Look at this one, y'all. Wow. Very cool. No clips. I guess a little roll stop. Yep. If I'm right. So let's see what this sucker does. Kind of reminds me of the Kaveco. Now it comes into a full-size pen. So, and that looks like a 5-size nib, but it doesn't give the size of the nib. If it's a medium or fine, probably, Now this already was in it. You didn't do it, did you?
No.
Okay, but it wasn't punctured yet. So we're going to leave that like that. But I better turn that around so it won't get punctured in there. If it goes. Well, that's why it wouldn't, because it would not fit. So they do it like that. And I have to see if it will hold a converter. It might. I may have one that fit it. Pretty interesting pen, to say the least.
That's about the shortest one I've ever seen.
No, I got that Quebec. I don't know if you remember. That's just same size. Okay, here we go. And I think this is the last one.
That is the last one.
Last one. Here we go. So how I slice that, just like a this, like a that. Watch out, watch out, watch out. Hi-ya. Okay, like that. Da-da, da-da, da-da. Here we go. Okay. And this comes in the pen sleeve. And let's check it out. Oh, that's a cool looking one. Yep, that's another nice one. Looks like a bamboo type thing, doesn't it?
Yes, pretty. I love it.
That reminds me of a lobby up here marking. I don't know why. Let me just show you. Here's my lobby here. Look at the markings. It's bigger, yes, but kind of the same. That's what, anyway, that's what it reminds me of. Law. So this is, okay, pull off, pull on. Okay, cool. I do like the grip section. And the nib is a fine, yay. Now, who makes the pen? Looking for the maker. La 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 la. It's got an emblem on there, like an A with a circle around it. You'll have to look that up. Come with the converter. Okay. I don't think it's, was someone with a Y, Yearn, Yanni, Yearny?
Urine is
Yeah,
one
it's
of
not
them.
that one, I don't think. Kind of reminds me of the nib, but really a nice, cool looking fountain pen. And we're going to put that right here. And we're going to put this right here. And then we'll show you the pens one more time. La 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 la. Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! Everyone! La 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 la. Is that enough, Mr. Announcer?
Yeah, that's probably good.
All right, goodbye. Peace and love. Got to dig 'em, baby. It's only rock and roll, but I like it. See ya.